Welcome back. In this class we are going to determine Cmos inverter pair delay. Okay. Now here a very important point you have to observe that for Cmos inverter the load capacitance is twice of an NMOS. Why? Because two gates are tied together and a common input is given and the output is collected between the two drains. Okay. Now you can observe that for an NMOS inverter you are having the gate capacitance, standard gate capacitance is 2 times the NMOS inverter pair delay. That is a very important point you have to remember. And if you observe that here what they have given, okay, here they have given the pull down resistance. First of all you have to observe very carefully, the input is given as 1. That means they have taken the transition 0 to 1 transition, therefore the input received the first stage of inverter is 1, therefore the output will be 0. Then the second stage of inverter receives an input of 0, then the output is 1. That means you can observe that if input is 1, the pull down transistor will turns on, the output will be 0. If the input is 0 to the next stage, pull up transistor will be turns on. That is a concept they have given here. This is a pull down, okay, resistance. What is the resistance they have given? Pull down resistance 10 kilo, is it okay, ohms. Here pull up they have given 25 kilo ohms. I hope that are clear. Now we know that how to find out tau. Tau is equals to Rs into standard unit of gate capacitance. Now we know very well, if the pull down resistance is equals to 10 kilo ohm, then what is the value? If you know very well that what is the pull down transistor in the first stage of inverter. First of all, just you can observe here, this is your inverter, right? A CMOS inverter. Yeah, this is your Cmos inverter. Now you are having an input 1 here. This is an output. You know very well that if the input is 1, then this is a pull down transistor. What is a pull down transistor? NMOS will be the pull down transistor. The output is 0, similar 1. Similarly here you are having, you can observe that one more inverter and this output is connected here. And what is a pull up? Okay, absolutely. What is a pull up? PMOS transistor is the pull up, right? Now you can observe very carefully what is happening there. Okay, now the pull down transistor is an NMOS transistor, the pull up transistor is a PMOS transistor. Is it okay? Now by keeping this in mind, I am going to find out the pair delay. Now the resistance, pull down resistance they have given as 10 kilo ohm. I am converting this into sheet resistance. You can write 10 into 10 power 3. What is the value? 10 power 4. I hope that are clear. This is what 1 Rs of NMOS. I hope that are clear. That means it is clear that for NMOS you are having Rs is equals to 1. And what is the gate capacitance you are having? 2 into standard gate capacitance. I hope that are clear. This is the gate capacitance you are having. Therefore, tau is equals to 1 Rs into 2 standard unit of gate capacitance. Okay, then tau will be what? 2 tau. Okay, this is a tau. Is it clear? Therefore, the delay in the first stage delay is 2 tau, right? Then similarly, the delay I am going to calculate for the second stage. Then you may observe that the pull up resistance is equals to 25 kilo ohm there. Then you can write that 2.5 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay, what is this 2.5 into 10 to the power of 4? Yeah, this 10 to the power of 4 innocence, absolutely sheet resistance. You can tell 2.5 into Rs. Is it okay? Now how to determine the delay? You can observe that the delay of the second stage is equals to 2.5 Rs into 2 standard unit of gate capacitance. Okay, then 2 into 2.5 becomes what? 5 Rs into standard unit of gate capacitance. Then Rs into standard unit of gate capacitance is equals to tau, that is 5 tau. Is it clear? That means the second stage delay is 5 tau. That means overall you can talk about the first stage is 2 tau, the second stage is 5 tau. Therefore the NMOS inverter pair delay is what? 7 tau. That means total delay is equals to 2 tau plus 5 tau, which is equals to what? 7 tau. Is it understood? In this manner you have to find out the CMOS inverter pair delay. If you are having any queries, please comment. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.